don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by Mr. Gok.
Stevie Jack.
I'm Nandi.
Come on, John.
Yeah.
Team Sugas.
As usual. Team Sugas.
My man, Saspanze. Let's sing a tam.
Yeah.
Saspanze.
Yeah,
see we next season.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
sure.
Okay, no time.
100.
What's in the terms? What's in the I see what I'm getting around now. See what kind of jump. I'm going my friends with you. But to subscribe to Steve over like my video with Steve.
Yeah, sure.
Steve, Silana Fandak.
Yeah.
Support our coach too.
Sure.
See Landel team too.
Yeah.
We believe in this team, Steve.
Yeah.
I can't see my cool Steve.
Yeah.
You know. They pull out a Steve because I'm in a villa. I think 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We came to this game. Steve was like 4-2-3-1. Understand? Both teams they were playing the same formation. You know.
Sure.
I'll give credit to Galaxy.
Yeah.
A little bit. You know why?
Yeah.
By blocking the middle field,
yeah.
By shatter it defense.
Yeah.
But the problem is, Ebanga attack. You know, they didn't attack, they didn't come to the part. TS Galaxy, they know good You know, they don't care anymore.
Yeah.
You know, for us, each and every game matters.
Yes.
As Orlando Pirates, you know.
Yes.
I love Coach Mandla. He was next to Coach Rivero.
Yeah.
They didn't let the Gatenda Fandar Tiwo at Luga. Na Coach Rivero. You know, but you know each and every coach want to play Ipolayaki. You know. Angeke sithi coach Mandla adlale njengoba ngo Rivero ayende yabona.
Yeah.
But going to Orlando Pirates Tibo, I love the tactics. The goal that came in the Pirates is tactics from the bench Tibo. You saw Guti Umandla understand the football that Rivero left for him, you know.
Yes.
You know, and the Pirates idlala the same way Tibo. Ngizokhuluma futhi kancane uMbogazi ngithathe kancane uMbogazi. I love uMbogazi. But boy da shaya reverse boy. Flika le ball ivaya. Reverse kancane ufilike le ball ivaya because umshort ngitshelile ngoMbogazi last interview yami. Ngathi mfisa bazomshanga ba long ball. Boy reverse boy tracker back hit the ball iphuma. You understand? I don't want to debate the coach of the season is Tibo. We know Orlando Pirates is the biggest team. As PhD said, it is the only man who's qualified to say that. You know, to bring a coach who PhD. Young Kintasibek PhD. Kukuluma Tibo. Today coaching Nagazin Team Shail Tibo. This game we just needed to move. You know, to protect the ball. You know, we needed maybe a center. Alumfana Muntozo Natada, Umfana Loigas Limit, one sleepy. To help that boy, you know. A senior player, maybe a coach, maybe to defend a bit. We just needed to move the ball. You understand? Because TS Galaxy $100 too. But other than that, I love how Umandangas plays. Akube Steve some support behind him until further notice he Pirates of Chela skin the land Steve. But Conin Day in the line. Steve. Tina Steve. But he has achieved next this season. It's fine. We are the biggest team. Team. We achieved MTN 8. We PhD. We play very well, Steve. I think we have 8 young players. Or 9 if I'm not mistaken. They are playing football, Steve. They're able to carry the game from 0 to 90 minutes.
That's true.
These boys, Slepe, Mbogazi, Nkota, you know, Sibu, Tina, focus on Kulu, Manji, to next season. We have our trophy, we have whatever that we need. As far as Steve, it's okay, Steve. You know, Enyinto, Lamini Injam, keep up, boy. Those passes, playing deep. I love the meaning of that deep, Steve. Let's say any dimension is Steve, a little team. But what I don't like about him, ucabanga too much. Slow,
Yes,
too much.
yes.
You know, I got slow in terms of playing,
Yeah.
but he likes thinking. You know, ayeke ucabanga too much. Ama-passes kakamsebenzeli.
Yeah.
Dlamini impintshi yami yakusebenzela into ublind out yami.
Yeah, sure.
Thibo, man of the match afanda ukusleep.
Sleep.
That boy simplifies things.
Number 47.
Simplifies things.
Number 47.
Thibo, that boy is the next Makaula, is the next Iniesta Upamanyisa, is the next George Ilbisi, is the next what's Macau? Who's that guy? I love him, man. George Van Malulega from Chiefs. I used to love Malulega still. I see Uslep Mfana.
In the class.
Future captain.
Yeah.
Future captain.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, God.